by and take a look at the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, Bose sound system, traction control, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.